isang website na pwede kang kumita ng $1 per 15 minutes without answering survey. Hello guys! Ako po si Morse at ito ang Turo ko Kita Mo. Ngayong araw, may isi-share akong website na talagang tutulong sa iyo para umangat kahit papaano ang buhay. Answering survey minsan ay boring, di ba? I know, kahit ako ramdam ko yan kapag ako'y sumasagot ng survey online para sa aking opinions. Pero itong website na ito ay iba. Mas pinadali at mas pinabilis. May isi-share akong video na mula mismo sa website na pwede nating pagkakitaan. Ang website na sinasabi ko ay P50. Ang P50 ay isang mobile application na pwedeng pagkakitaan ni numan saang sulok ka man ng mundo by just creating a short videos tungkol sa isang produkto, serbisyo na iyong natanggap at advertisement. Kailangan mo lang gawin ay pick upin ang iyong phone at pindutin ang record button for 15 minutes. At dahil dito, you can able to earn $1 mula sa sikat na brands such as Microsoft, Visa at marami pang iba. P50 ay sobrang simple lang na application. Madaling gamitin at gawin ang simpleng task. Papaano nga ba? May ipapakita akong video mula sa P50 to able to start learning.
We're more data-rich than ever, but stories are still the most powerful way to share information. P50 is here to help you see the people behind your data, adding a real human story to every single research study. P50 is the world's #1 video insight platform, giving you an agile, end-to-end solution in 3 simple steps. Capture, analyze, and share video in minutes. In any study, anywhere in the world, in any language. Our capture solutions deliver rich, authentic, and powerful responses. Embed video questions into any survey, use our on-demand communities, upload existing footage, or use our flexible apps for diary and offline studies. Next, our leading video analytics help you quickly find customer stories from hundreds of videos. Search and filter your responses using human transcriptions with automated time coding, sentiment, tags, and more. Theme Explorer instantly categorizes your content, unlocking valuable insights and providing the why behind your data. Finally, create and share powerful show reels of your most compelling clips with our simple drag-and-drop editor. And watch these outputs drive customer-focused actions across your business. Join the many other global brands adding video to their research. Contact P50 to help find your next story.
Sana'y makatulong ang simpleng video na ito sa inyo guys. Kung interesado po kayong matuto at manood ng video na pwedeng pagkakitaan gamit ang phone at laptop ninyo, may mga nakalagay po akong link sa description sa ibaba kung papaano kumita ng pera online. Kung may tanong o suggestion, huwag po kayong mahiyang i-comment sa ibaba. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. My name's Morse and this is Turo ko Kita Mo.